Hello, everyone. This is Varsha, and you are watching the series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. So, as you all know, in this segment of ours, we talk about the prominent achievers of our country who have made India proud in some way or the other. So, in the same sequence, today we have with us Mr. Mohan Reddy, who is pursuing his graduation in computer science. He is also the director of the company Crystone Technology Private Limited, which is a startup company working on crucial aspects like sewages and refuse disposal, sanitation, and plastic recycling. This is basically to result in safe and healthy environment for rest of our lives. But before we actually start the conversation with him, let's quickly have a look at a very small video telling you about what we actually do.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows, and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hello, Mr. Reddy. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
All good, sir. Thank you so very much. So,
Thank you.
before we actually start the question and answer segment, I am very keen to know that how did you actually land up to the idea of starting up with this particular venture?
Yeah, coming to the ideal process, like we went to many of the articles regarding this plastic pollution, and thing is, sewage management is one of the problem which is not addressed by the government or the people. So, like every day, population is increasing day by day, but whereas sewages, whereas rivers are not being increased as per the population. And thing is, many of the people are losing their life by cleaning the sewages because it may be an underground or open sewage. So it is creating a huge problem to the people. And the very sad part is, thing is, people are polluting the rivers, people are polluting the sewage, and people are like dumping all this needed unwanted plastic waste into it. And which causes a huge problem in the further, like in the future, this sewage management will become a huge problem, like plastic pollution, water pollution, and all this comes under this. So by this, my father is a government contractor, so I was like, he used to take all this contract of cleaning all these things. But so when I visited that place, I felt like someone should address this problem, someone should clear this problem from this, so that people will get benefit, and they can live their life in a good way.
And that's a very noble thing you are doing, I must say, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now, moving ahead, if nothing comes that easy to us, I'm sure that you must have also faced certain sort of challenges in your
Yeah,
professional journey. So tell us a bit about those challenges, please.
the challenges I faced was basically, we are a group of students, and the thing is, challenges that we faced was regarding funds. In this global pandemic situation, arranging funds was a great challenge. And thing is, people were not encouraging us because no one know how, like what plastic pollution is. No one knows what we are doing with our own hands. And like people were demoralizing us. That was a main challenge that we were facing. And thing is, even government is not supporting these type of projects. Yes, it is going through an plans, it is going through its own ideas. Thing is, this sewage cleaning and river cleaning is a main problem that should be addressed even by the government. The main challenge is, people are not aware what is going regarding the society, what is going around them, and what they are like, they're polluting. So that is a main problem that we have faced in our career.
So now, moving ahead, what exactly are the services that Crystone Technology is providing to people out there?
So Christian Technologies is a group of companies where we come across river cleaning, sewage cleaning, and other cleaning processes. So here we provide manufacturing of machines, and even the service that required for the manufacturing of machines. And we also recycle plastic that we get from the rivers, that we get from the sewage, and we make that products into like stands, stools, which people needs that. And we also we make the things like barriers for the rivers, barricades for the roads, and dividers for the roads, which help the society for recycling the plastic and usage of plastic.
Right. So now talking about the future, what further plans are you having in the upcoming years? If you can please tell us a bit about those plans, please.
The plans that we need to upgrade our missions. Basically, we have prepared a basic level of missions by our funding. So we do not get funding from any of the government nor any of the MNC companies. So thing is, basically we need to upgrade our missions. We need to upgrade our missions regarding technology, regarding the units we have, and we also need to upgrade our branches. By this, we can create a large number of employment. We have to undertake all the people who are unemployed in the society, and we have to even consider their plans, and we'll definitely go according to the things which can make the society better with our ideas.
So in today's world, everyone is emphasizing more on Atmanirbharta. So
Yeah,
what
yeah.
are your thoughts and views on this Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign, and also how is your organization working towards this?
Yeah, it's a good question. Thanks for asking that question. Basically, this Atmanirbhar project, we how we work is we are giving a large number of employment in the future. Our project plan is to take all the unemployed people and train them regarding this process. And when we go across this country, we have many thousands of rivers, thousands of lakes, and thousands of sewages. Like every area has a river, every area has a lake, every area has a sewage. So in this cleaning process is the main source where a large number of human resources needed. And by this we undertake many number of large number of people in this. We train them, we educate them, and after that we use them for the products. So this helps the government even to they can gain the employment. That helps the government regarding the financial we can gain some financial income, and we can even donate it to the government when it needed.
So now moving ahead, though I know it's always a very wonderful feeling when we get recognitions for our work, still I would love to know from you that what are your feelings on winning this Indian Achievers Award?
I'm blessed. Basically, see, no one used to recognize our project. No one used to recognize our idea. But thing is, when I got a mail that you are selected in this Indian Achievers as an youngest entrepreneur, I was like, yeah, someone is working on this who can encourage us to the future, who can take us to the next level. And I'm very glad to get this award. And I thank Indian Achievers Award for giving this award for all the people who are really working towards the society. And I thank for you also for encouraging us, ma'am.
And I once again congratulate your entire team on this achievement of yours.
Thank you so much.
All right. So now moving ahead, though your company is already, related to that social contribution which you are doing for the society, but still apart from that, what other CSR activities are you involved in?
Thing is, I personally have an NGO. It is a completely student-run NGO, and the name is Well Wishes Foundation. So I'm running since 3 years. So it has all the government-approved things, like it has a drug registration certificate, it has ATG to LA, and we go across things like we undertake old ages, we undertake orphanages, and we give funds to the people who are needed for the medical help. We also arrange medical camps everywhere around the society. We have more than 18,000 volunteers in this, and the income we get from the company is like 30% to 40% is given to this NGO, where we work on this basic level activities which people are needed for. And thing is, many of the students are encouraging us. As we are students, we know how we are dealing with the things, and we know how the society should be changed, in which area the problem should be addressed, in which area the problem should be solved. So by this we are working with a group of team where everyone is working very hard to change the society in a very good way. So we help other organizations, other social organizations to manage the things in the terms of volunteers, in terms of events and everything. And we also educate the people by giving awareness programs in everywhere, addressing regarding plastic pollution, addressing regarding the further things which people needed. So this is how we work towards a society.
Amazing work, sir. All right.
Thank you.
So now, before concluding our lovely session, what
Yeah.
message or mantra you would like to give to our younger generation to become successful in their careers?
Yeah. Thing is, they have to work on the idea they have. They have to create their prototype. They have to work practically. Many nowadays people are not that involved in doing practical things, because everything is going virtual. Everything is going through the mobile, through the laptops, through the online sessions. So thing is, people have to work practically, where they'll get to know what are the loopholes, what the things are going wrong, what things are going correct. So aiming on some particular things, working on a particular thing can bring to the next level, and which nowadays people are losing it. So I just request people to work on a single particular idea, where they can get all the loopholes, all the advantages which help the society in a right way, and get there, and even the future can be developed according to their ideas.
Wonderful piece of advice, I must say, Mr.
Thank you.
Mohan.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Also, thank you so very much for joining with us today. It was lovely talking to you, and I wish you all the success for all your future endeavors, and may you continue to rise and shine the way you are doing. Thank you so very much
Thanks,
for joining.
thanks for Thank you very much, ma'am.